but to my dear friends. But yeah, I'm not making that, so I'm just gonna start working on things I want to work for myself. Work on for myself. Lord, okay, I hope y'all understand that. Let's get into this video. Crochet December project plans. It's crafted by T for Tierra. Today I'm gonna just talk about my crochet December plans, ideas, projects I want to do, sort of, kind of. I really don't plan on making any gifts for anybody because I don't want to. Maybe for like 1 or 2 friends, but I really don't care to make gifts for anyone. So my first inspo is this heart, like, you know, that knitted heart top. Let me show y'all in pictures because I want to make that with like this yarn I have here. It's like a Bernat chunky yarn, the blanket yarn, and it's like this pink, red, and white color, and the top will be white. I want to make it basically my Valentine's Day outfit. I don't know why I'm thinking this far ahead. I ain't make nothing for Christmas, nothing, any other holidays. I don't care, honestly. I'm just trying to use yarn that I have. But this crochet knitted fork top, babe, yeah, this I want to make this heart top, but I'm not gonna sit and rack my brain on how to make that heart opening. So I know this girl, what is her name? Let me see. Crochet heart top. She already has a pattern for it, so I'm gonna just buy her pattern. Bam, I already had it hearted and everything. I'm gonna make that, but I'm gonna make it like long sleeves, like a longer, it's not gonna be cropped. And yeah, I have a whole outfit planned for this. So it's gonna be this, the cotton white, even how she have it here, but I want the heart more like lower on the chest area. Chest area like that, so how it's in the Pinterest ad, or how it looks in Pinterest on the people's, who has it on? Yeah, like more in the bust area. Oh look, she got it here on Pinterest too. But make that with like a mini skirt out of this. Hopefully I got enough of this to cover my bootay. And yeah, that's my first outfit, whole outfit crochet inspo. My next, I want to make a scrap raglan cardigan top type of thing. I remember seeing, what's the girl name? What's that girl's name? Crochet top down cardigan. Not that area, Erin B. I want to make this, but I wanted long sleeves, and I'm about to use all, like, I don't know how many colors, but as much color I can use with the yarns I have, because I'm gonna show y'all my yarn stash. Like literally, everything fits in one little thing now. It's not all over the place for once, so I need to use up yarn before hopefully 2024 comes. Trying to use up as much as possible, because it's all like one little cake, one little half a centimeter. Like, it's so annoying. Like, I'd be ready to throw away stuff. I'd be ready to throw away. Sorry for the landfills, but I'd be ready to throw stuff away. So I want to make this cardigan, watch her tutorial on it, make that. Some girl made like a crochet knitted one similar to that, and I was just like, ooh, I like the color she used. So of course I'm gonna just make my own. I'm gonna figure out a color scheme with what the yarn that I got. And then what else? I want to make another, like 2 more hats. I think I just find like, I think crochet. Oh, I spelled crochet wrong, y'all. Don't come for me. Crochet, checker. I already know I have her pattern for this. Yep, Anne's Closet. I love her patterns. Like, she is beginner friendly. Her and Maddie Denmark, those are the top designers that I go to for patterns. I might try one here and there, or like when I do test patterns, of course they're different people, but I love them they patterns. I don't care what anybody got to say, but I'm gonna make this bucket hat with hopefully she don't mind me showing this, but it's her pattern. You can go check her out. She got some pretty cute things. Yeah, I'm gonna make this, and I want to make another bucket hat. My hat collection is like growing. This is, I'm gonna put her name here, wherever you can follow her. She got a pattern for it too. It's very cute, easy. People say I give watermelon or strawberry shortcake, but it's becoming my favorite accessory because I have locks, so that'd be like hard to tame sometimes. Ooh. Check myself before I wreck myself. You know, sometimes I ain't getting a retwist every time. So hats is my best friend. That's all I'm gonna say. And it's a cute pop of color. Like, you know, add some razzle dazzle to your outfits. Some color, please. You don't see this? Oh, I'm gonna show y'all my fit that I had on with that. I had my Telfeezy, orange Telfeezy on with like all black fit. Had that pop of color with the all black. Come on now. But okay, how much was that? I think that's like 3-4 things I want to do. I'm being very ambitious, y'all, but bear with me. Bear with me. But I do want to work on a star bag for myself. Not like the regular star bags you've been seeing on like Instagram. Like, it's different. Like the, I don't even know how to describe it. Do I have it saved? I have like an inspo, but like design wise, oh, I do want to make this bag too. Like, I think I'll just make 2 rectangles, scrunch it, like pre-scrunch it, sew it, then make like a, the thing in the middle, wrap around it and make a strap. So I do want to make this bag. So bam. But the star bag I was talking about is similar to this, but except the handle is like one of the star points. And this is gonna be part of a collection I want to make with like this scrunchy tutorials I've been doing. Make like matching bags with it, and like matching bags with matching hair scrunchies, and do something for the guys. Like, yeah, it's gonna be a whole little shebang. You know, stay tuned, please, please. Yeah, so that's my inspo for that. Like, I just came out with the Star Scrunchie. Thank you. Go watch it afterwards. So yeah, I want to match that with this. So I'm gonna have to figure out, do some calculations on how big, small, round, pointy I want everything to be. My next inspo was did I save it? Oh, her. I love this. I love this, y'all. I love this. I'm being real ambitious, like I said, to do all of this in a month. This gonna keep me accountable, sort of, kind of. We can do an end of a month recap to see if I did, how much I did accomplish. But this right here, It's on my to-do list. Oh, there she go again. Oh, there she go again. Let me see a little better view. Yeah, I just like the color, how she just wearing it at the top, the little collar flap down. I need to get chunky yarn. I need to buy yarn for that, y'all. Not gonna lie, because I don't have chunky yarn, but this type of yarn, and I think I need a different type of yarn for what I'm trying to envision to make it crochet. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, so like I said, most of these I'm just using yarn that I have. So this is like a maybe if, and do that in a month. Come on, that's gonna take me a little bit longer. Not really, if I'm really like, oh, I gotta get this done. But girl, bye. I ain't doing all that. I ain't doing all of that. I do want to make this one day. One day. This is all my acrylic, and then all my cotton yarn just fits in this. Literally, when I say I need to be done with this as much as possible, please. Tired of it. I haven't bought month in over a month, unless it's like for commissions, but still, even that, I'm just tired. This is just not even, this is like half of the yarn I need to deal with. We're not going to talk about my unfinished projects, baskets, and bins. I'm sounding like it's a lot, but I only got like one basket, one bin. You know, it gets chunky, so I need to squish into something. That could be a whole nother video of undoing, redoing, whatever yarn from that. But I need to get rid of this. That's why I'm trying to use what I got. Y'all, please help me. But I'm being really ambitious with all the projects I just named, y'all. In reality, I think I only complete like a good 4, maybe. Yeah, nothing too crazy. Don't expect a lot, but we can check back in if y'all want. But that'll be the end of this video. Thank you for coming to Crochet Diaries, Crochet Talks, Crochet Planning, Crochet Projects, whatever you would like to call it today, by Crafted by T.